In this video, I'm going to show you how to pin a tab in Firefox in just a few seconds. This is a super useful feature if you keep certain websites open all the time, like your email, calendar, music player, or a work dashboard. Pinning a tab keeps it small, organized, and easy to find every time you open your browser. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Firefox tips and simple how-to guides. Let's jump in. First, open Firefox and go to the tab that you want to pin. This can be any website you use regularly, and once it's pinned, it will stay at the left side of your tab bar so you can access it faster. Now, right-click directly on that tab. When the menu appears, look for the option that says Pin Tab. Click Pin Tab, and Firefox will instantly shrink the tab and pin it in place. That's it. The tab is now pinned. You'll notice it takes up less space and is easier to keep track of, especially if you have a lot of tabs open at once. If you ever want to unpin it later, you can right-click the Pin tab again and choose Unpin tab. So whether you're organizing your browser, saving important websites, or just making your daily workflow a little smoother, pinning tabs in Firefox is a quick and helpful trick to know. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more easy browser tutorials. Thanks for watching.